Here I am at Suncorp Stadium. It's freaking loud as hell. And man, is it huge. Check this out. Suncorp Stadium, take that, bitches! Those are the New Zealanders. I have no idea who's playing over there, but I do know those are the New Zealanders. They're warming up, and the Aussies are over the other side of the field. Bloody hell. This place is massive. Look at the size of the bastard of a thing. Jesus. This is the biggest freaking thing you've ever seen in your life, isn't it?
Oi. Good chain, Kiwi.
Say g'day.
Huh?
Say g'day.
How you doing?
And here we are. New Zealand's there. Who's that? Grand Rebellion? No, that's not Grand Rebellion. It's Jackson Nightingale.
That bomb was pus.
Yeah. I'm watching on TV.
Alright, it's half time. The score is 6-all. That's all for now.
You're wondering, Australia lost 14 points to 12. Whoa, what a game. Aussies lost, we lost, but you know what, I am so glad that this game was so freaking awesome. Otherwise it was a complete right tight, oh jeez, unbelievable. Yeah. Check out the friggin' stadium, man. Suncorp is friggin' huge. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Unbelievable.